Get longer-lasting blades for your portable bandsaw. Introducing the new Makita Compact Portable Bandsaw Blades. It's the ideal accessory for your compact bandsaw. With durable bimetal construction and an improved welding process, this blade is engineered to last longer. So you get more work done with less downtime. The wavy tooth set is designed for cleaner cuts in sheets, tubes, and pipes. This durable bandsaw blade is available in 14 and 18 TPI. It's designed to cut non-ferrous metal, mild steel, cast iron, and stainless steel.